Hey, it's Matt at Custom Car Grills with a grill install for a 2016 through 17 Toyota Tacoma. The first step is to remove the grill assembly from the truck. This can be done by removing the upper bolts here and the push rivets here on each side. Once the assembly is removed, then there's a handful of screws to remove so that the bezel can be taken out. These are just some basic number 2 Phillips head screws that can be easily removed with a hand screwdriver. Next, there's some plastic release tabs that need to be pressed in. A flathead screwdriver can come in handy for this step. Now the bezel can be easily removed and placed off to the side. To remove the inner grill area, there's a few more release tabs to press in. These can be released by hand, but again, a flathead screwdriver can come in handy. With all the tabs taken care of, the center section will come right out. Next, I need to drill some 5/16 inch holes in the holes that were in the bezel screw locations to begin with. We supply some 1/4 bolts for the install. If a no drill install is desired, then a smaller bolt can be used for this step, as long as the bolt head is larger than 5/16 of an inch. Now that the drilling is complete, to avoid damaging the outer shell, some tape can be applied to the outer perimeter. I went without the tape for this install, and the new grill easily dropped into place without issue. Supplied are bolts, nuts, large metal washers, as well as some small plastic washers. The small plastic washer goes on the head of the bolt to help protect the powder coat finish of the grill. Place the plastic washer on the bolt first, and then start feeding the bolts through the new grill and grill assembly. Now, I'll hold the bolt head in place with a hex wrench. While firmly holding the bolt in place, I'll place a large metal washer on the bolt on the back of the grill and then start threading on the nut. We supply nylon inserted lock nuts, and a deep well socket will be a best bet to easily install them. Please note, it's important not to over tighten these. Once the grill is tied up against the grill assembly, then there's no need to tension these anymore. With all the nuts and bolts installed, the grill can be reinstalled back on the truck and the mod is complete. This is a super simple install and makes a big difference in the way that the truck looks. Here's a quick look of a rendering of this install on a Tacoma. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions about it, then feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.